Levrano Shop is being promoted as a men's clothing store offering stylish apparel at discounted prices. But the real question is whether it's actually legit or just another risky online fashion site. The store typically presents itself with clean product images, trendy designs, and strong discounts, giving an impression of a modern, affordable fashion brand. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many legitimate online clothing stores operate with similar designs and pricing strategies, especially using dropshipping models. However, here's the key issue. There's very little verified information or trustworthy reviews specifically about Levrano Shop, which is already a major warning sign for any online store. Looking at similar websites with nearly identical naming patterns and setups, the pattern becomes clearer. Many of these stores have low trust scores or are flagged as questionable, are recently created domains, use heavy discounts and urgency tactics to drive quick purchases. In fact, scam analysis tools show that similar sites in this category are often linked to phishing risks, spam activity, or low credibility signals, meaning caution is strongly advised. There are also common red flags to watch for: no clear company background or physical presence, hidden ownership details, lack of real customer reviews outside the website, generic product photos that may be reused from other stores. User experiences for these types of stores are typically mixed and negative. Some people receive items, but many report poor quality, long shipping times, or difficulty getting refunds. It's also important to understand that many of these stores are not true brands. They often act as middlemen sourcing cheap products and reselling them with heavy markups. So is Levrano Shop real or fake? It's likely a real website that sells products, but it shows multiple signs of being low trust and potentially unreliable. The bottom line is that Levrano Shop appears to fall into the category of high-risk online clothing stores, so it's best approached with caution or avoid unless more verified reviews become available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.